Honestly, this could be a tree. I'm looking at this and thinking, gosh, this could be a tree all by itself. If I were to cut that away, and I could maybe make one tree just out of that. So that's something I might look at too. So stick around, let's see what we can create. So one of the things I've seen with this sagebrush is it is very, very brittle. As you can see, little pieces falling off of it all the time, and you get a lot of that. But other than that, it has a nice shape. So I had a thought, let's see if we can put a little glue on there and have it keep its shape. So that's what we're going to do, is test that and see if we can make a nice tree out of this ready-made sagebrush piece. I started with some hairspray on this, and it did an okay job, left it pretty sticky, but I felt like it might need a little more, so I went ahead and hit it with a bit of the spray glue, and that really helped hold everything together, and I wasn't losing little bits of the sagebrush flower. So now we're on to adding the greenery and see if we can make it look like a tree. I was pretty happy with the progress here, and things came along pretty quickly, fast and easy. It's definitely something I'm going to look at more. I tried to carefully apply the greenery here so that the branches could still be seen. So I'm careful as I'm putting that greenery right on the tips, the flowers themselves, which that's really what this is basically just a sagebrush flower. And so just carefully applying that, dropping that where I want it, and it stuck pretty good. And then I just went back and resprayed now and then to adhere the stuff that I'd put on and make it more sticky to receive what I wanted to add. Put a little bit of variation of color in here. Slightly lighter green. A little more spray glue. It's kind of nice to use a couple different colors in there so you can start seeing some variations in it. I didn't want to put any yellow on this one. I wanted to just keep it to a couple of colors of green. And pretty soon here I'm going to be making up some of my own foliage and do some fall colors that I've been excited to do. So hopefully you'll see one of those videos coming up soon. And there we go, with a pretty good likeness of the tree. So that was a lot simpler than many we've done in the past. Pretty straightforward, because we already had the material on the plant. And so it makes it kind of quick and easy to create that tree. It's added a lot of weight to it for sure, getting all of that greenery on there, but now we've got a nice full looking tree, and it isn't letting go of much of that foliage. I do see some stringing coming, and we didn't even use the hot glue. It's just from the spray glue. And so we'll let this sit for a little while and then come back and check out our model.